Cactus fruit farming can be a unique and profitable business venture if properly planned and maintained with proper training. The plant is gaining popularity day by day due to its resilience in arid environments and its various uses. Cactus fruit, commonly known as tunas, is sweet and used in various culinary dishes, beverages, and products like jams or juices. The cactus pads, called nopales, are also edible and widely used in cooking. Cactus fruits are very nutritious and beneficial for health. Dear visitors, today we will learn how to grow cactus fruit at a low cost with little labor. I will talk about the proper care and maintenance of cactus fruit cultivation. Prickly pear cacti thrive in semi-arid and arid climates with high temperatures and little rainfall. They can tolerate frost, but extreme cold can damage the plants. First of all, for growing cactus fruit, you need to choose a land that is high and has a good drainage system. They can grow in poor, rocky, or sandy soils but will perform better in slightly alkaline, loamy soils. The soil should be loosened. The soil should be fertilized by mixing organic manure or rotted cow dung. Good quality seedlings or cuttings should be collected. Usually, cuttings of 20 to 30 centimeters length are planted. A distance of about 3 meters should be kept between each plant. A distance of 3 meters between rows is also required. The cuttings should be planted 4 to 5 centimeters deep in the soil. Bamboo or wooden poles should be used to keep the plants straight after planting. Initially, after planting, the pads should be watered moderately until they establish roots. Afterward, watering can be minimal, as the plants store water and are drought tolerant. If excess water accumulates, the plant may be damaged, so water drainage should be provided. Organic fertilizers and chemical fertilizers should be given in proper quantity. Fertilizers can be applied 3 to 4 times a year. Excess branches of the tree should be trimmed. It helps in plant growth and increases yield. Cactus fruit trees generally do not suffer from many diseases or pests. However, if insect infestation is observed, organic pesticides should be used. The first yield comes in 1.5 to 2 years after planting. But with good care and the right environment, it can be a bit faster. It usually takes 3 to 4 years to reach full yield. Fruits can be harvested between May and September every year. When the fruit turns red or yellow when fully ripe, the fruit should be harvested. Fruits should be picked before they are too ripe. Cactus fruits are usually prickly, so thick gloves should be used when picking the fruit. The fruit should be cut or removed carefully, so as not to damage the rest of the plant.